Hello to all my viewers. My name is Manish, and welcome to my channel, Reliable Web Guy. Today we will be learning about installing Updraft, one of the highly downloaded plugins in the WordPress community for website backup. Updraft has a very easy to learn user interface that allows you to back up and restore with a single click on a schedule that suits you. As you know, not all backup plugins are created equal. However, UpdraftPlus has been tested in more scenarios, installed on more servers, and rated higher than any backup plugin in the WordPress community. Updraft has associated with big-name companies like NBA, Princeton University, NASA, Microsoft, Cisco, and many others, to name a few users out of the 3 million WordPress sites. Also been featured to high-reputation digital communities such as Beginner, Mudev, GoDaddy, Forbes, Elegant Themes. Without any further delay, let's install Updraft. Let me show you a sample site I have built for this demo. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugin and select Add New. Now go to Search and type Updraft. Now you can see UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup plugin as shown on the screen. Click on Install now and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you can access the plugin by left the menu under Setting or at the top menu. This is how an Updraft dashboard looks like, very user-friendly and easy to use. Before we start backup, let us set the setting. Here you can see Updraft can schedule the files as well as a database. Moreover, you have the option to store your backup files on remote storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can exclude specific files or folders from your backup process. Also, there is an email functionality to get notified when there is an issue with WordPress backup. Let me teach you something about the expert setting. I would always like to split my backup file into small sizes to avoid zip corruption and faster upload. Make sure you check this option, Delete Local Backup. What it means, when you run Updraft Backup, first it will store the backup zip files on your server, then it will send the zip file to your remote storage like Dropbox or Google Drive. If you do not check this option, it will not delete the zip file in the long run. Your website will start to get bigger and bigger whenever you back up your site. So it is always good to check this option, so once the backup is done and sent, the zip files are automatically cleaned from your web server. Now hit Save. Go to the Backup/Restore tab and then select Backup Now. This option if you want to retain your backup, or Updraft will automatically remove files when it hits the backup limit. Once the backup is complete, you can see the backup date and essential files like databases, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. If you have set your remote storage, these backup files will be sent to that storage. You can download these zip files from this dashboard or your storage. Let me download these files to my PC. Once the download is complete, make sure you delete it from your web server too. So that's it. Now let me show you how you can restore your website when you are migrating the site or your site got hacked, or you have to start again. If you have these files somewhere, you are always good to go. You don't need to download this WordPress reset plugin. I'm just showing you how you restore your website. Before I reset my site to default WordPress, let me show you how it looks. Again, this is just for the tutorial on how to restore your website with your backup files. You do not need to reset your website. Okay, reset is completed. Let's check the demo site. Now Backup activates the Updraft plugin. You know the drill on installing the Updraft plugin, as shown at the beginning of the video. To show you, this site is clean and does have any pictures, text, or theme. So let me delete these themes as used on the demo, so it looks more default or new WordPress installation. Okay, let's start the restoration process. Go to the Backup/Restore tab and select Upload Backup Files. Once the files are uploaded, you will see something like this. Let me refresh this page again and show you I'm still on the default installation. Now we will restore the site with our files. Check this section and hit Restore. Make sure you check all the options and hit Next, then Restore. Let's stand back and watch the restoration process. Once it is complete, Updraft will ask you to return to login. Since you have restored the website, the site will ask you to use the same login and password you had during your site backup. Once you are logged in, Updraft will ask you to delete old directories. So let us recheck our site. Poof, it is back to the same site as to how we started the backup before. I hope you liked my video and learned something today. You can purchase an Updraft Premium from the description below, which comes with more features like site cloning and migration. Happy WordPressing, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you.